Yes, isang magandang Sabado pong muli mga ka-YT. Nandito kami, family day at kompleto. Si Nanay, si Aldwin at si Alice there yan. Of course si Mama. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good morning.
Mapagpalang araw pong muli sa ating lahat. Anyways, Sabado magkakasama kami. Meron kaming explore na bagong bukas na food chain dito sa Calgary. Yan. So, okay, see you there on the mall kasi bibili kami ng first time namin actually dito sa Calgary na makakain niyang burger na yan. See you later. Yan na, dito na kami sa mall. So, hopefully wala nang pila yung bibili namin. So, andyan yung mga bata. Kami tatlo lang yung bibili. Yan, dito na kami. So, yan, wala pang pila. Much better.
The menu and then go for grabbing you the stuff.
Okay, thank you. So you're going to, no?
That burger, the Steelers, right? Do you want the veggie burger? No.
Ito yung way ng pag-order dito sa Shake Shack. Dito kami ngayon sa Shake Shack.
Do you want
Oh,
how about the hamburger?
What's that?
No, I want bacon cheese.
I want the smoke shop. Yeah, that one.
Which one? And then we got chicken, fried, fries. What were you want? This is like, they're not big. You will get this.
Yeah. Maybe 4 of those, yeah. Yeah.
Then we got shakes. Yeah. You want the shakes?
I don't just is this what we got?
Do you want chocolate?
I don't know. That's
These are done drinks. Do you want
Mommy, I want the unsweetened brewed iced tea, yeah, that one.
which one?
Yeah, no, this one, yeah.
So okay, we'll get one of that.
Yeah.
A small one or large?
This is small one.
And do you want any drinks, Oscar, or do you want like?
oh, just want to see. I don't know if I should get this right away, but
Do it next time. Yeah.
yeah, probably next time.
Single bacon, single shake, smoke shake, fries, small organic iced tea, and the 2 chocolate shakes.
Yeah.
Oh God! Hopefully.
Okay, you back.
Yeah, okay, I think that's it. Is there anything else you want?
That's it.
I'll give my name.
Yeah.
Alternate.
Take a buzzer.
7. Is it 7?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, pay now.
We'll pay you back.
Yan, dito kami sa Shake Shack. Bumili. Andun sila kambal sa loob. Yan. Hinihintay nila yung order namin. Yan. Medyo pricey siya, pero let's see how kung masarap talaga siya. Yan. First time siya dito sa Calgary na magkaroon ng Shake Shack. Yan, andun nilang kapatid. Mukhang okay na yung order namin. Yan, yun na sila. Yan. There we go. Happy na sila. Ayan. Ganda ng ngiti. What?
There's no ketchup packages. It's like you only have like ketchup on like the little bowls.
Uh-huh.
No, you get that.
But that's okay. No problem for that.
Oh, probably got it.
Okay, let's go in the car. Dito lang kami sa parking na mall. Dito lang kami sa car. Doon kasi si Perpot at saka si Nanay, si Dianan sa sasakyan. Yan, titikman natin ang Shake Shack. Yan, so andyan na yung Shake Shack na binili namin. Mamaya daw namin kakainin. Kasi meron kaming pupuntahan na doctor's appointment ni Mrs. So So while waiting, nasa loob siya. So kakain namin siya inside the car. Yan. Happy at sabi ni Nakambal, they're going to pay back daw the bill. Yan. Anyways, let's see later inside. What's inside ng bag na yan. Yan.
Surprise.
It's a surprise. Yan ang Calgary condition ngayon. It's Saturday, rainy day. Full day I think until Monday is ulan ng Calgary. Yan. So hindi magandang mag long drive. Kasi nga ganyan ang panahon. It's almost summer. Pero umulan pa siya. Ganyan. Yun, ang lakas ng ulan. Hindi namin makita masyadong daan. Okay, so ito yung in-order namin. Kakain na muna kami ng lunch dito sa loob na sasakyan. Pero kami nitong unsweetened na iced tea yan, of course. Tapos ano yung in-order nyo, Alvin?
Chocolate shakes.
Chocolate shakes? Is it shake?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, and open it. Let's see what's inside, yeah. So yan, ito na yung aming in-order siya. Yan. Yan, tapos may price. So let's dig in. Okay. Yeah, Manang, this is yours with Nanay. Yan. Yan.
Nine. Give
Oh
to
yeah,
Nanay.
those are small burgers.
Yeah.
Is
Burger nanay.
Is
Small.
that yours? I
Which one is the bacon? The bacon there with the bacon. Oh,
That's mine, and this is for Alice and Aldrin. Yeah.
don't know. Get yours.
Okay, first. Yeah.
this is yours, nanay. I got mine.
No.
Yan. Diyan na yun. Ay, tanghalian namin. It's unsweetened na iced tea. Yeah. So it's my turn to dig in. This is mine. Enjoying our lunch na Shake Shack. Yan.
Spicy. Spicy?
Which one is spicy?
It is good.
Price is good.
Oh yeah.
Masarap naman yung patty nila. Kaya naman maliliit yung servings. Pabibitin sila kambal. Maliliit yung kanilang burger. Pero masarap yung patty Patty is good, right?
Oh yeah. No. It is pretty good.
Yan, ito yung aming resibo, yung presyo ng aming kinain. So, at least you have an idea if you have a plan na pumunta sa Shake Shack dito sa Calgary. Ito yung pricing ng aming in-order. Yan. Yan, ang total is $87.54. 5 burgers lang siya, tapos dalawang iced tea and for price, and dalawang what's that, chocolate shake. Yan siya. Yan, at least you have an idea how yung pricing nila. Pero don't expect na malalaki yung syempre yung burger. Yan. So yan, hindi ito sponsored. Try lang namin yung Shake Shack dito. So overall, not bad. Kaya lang pricey, hindi siya worth yung price. Kasi may napakaliliit na servings nila. Yan. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. Again, this is not sponsored. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.
Bye.
And stay safe, everybody. Bye-bye.
Love you all.
Love you. Thank you.